Working with Pete is like magic. At least that's what it was like for me. I had no experience with Reiki prior to Pete and I working together, but I felt a very strong intuitive nudge to work with him, so I just went for it.
My energy is so different, and it's just been a blessing to work with Pete, because Pete is truly a divine healer. He is directly channeling from the Galactic Light Federation. He is so in tune to be able to tap into your higher self and be able to guide you and coach you in ways that, to me, there is no other coach or healer that I've worked with thus far that has been able to give me the gifts that he has.
Being a healer and intuitive and coach myself, I've worked with a lot of practitioners, and I can honestly say that there has not been a single healer that has been as life-changing and as powerful as Pete.
Hey guys, super excited to announce that I've moved my Reiki practice from Manhattan to Miami. So I'm now taking in-person sessions right here in South Beach. So if you're looking for more clarity on what your life mission is, if you're looking to take your spiritual healing and Reiki healing to the next level, if you're looking to learn new types of advanced, ultra powerful Reiki, check me out. Come visit me in South Beach, and I'm looking very forward to meeting all of you very soon. Take care, guys.